So hello everyone. Today we have a data entry internship from Lumel and it is basically a lead cleansing and enrichment role. So the job location is Chennai and you require like 0 to 1 years of experience for this role and it will be a 6 to 8 months of internship. So we'll be looking after the things like key responsibilities, requirements and other things for this role. So the key responsibilities is mostly like you will be reviewing and cleaning the existing lead data for completeness, accuracy, and duplication. Then you will validate the lead information such as name, email, address, phone number, job titles, and company details. Then you should standardize the data formats like for example names, phone number, email address, locations. Then you will identify and remove the duplicate or invalid records and enrich the data using the online research data tools like ZoomInfo, Lusha, Clearbit if it is available. Then you will import and export the data between the CRM systems, spreadsheets, and marketing tools. You should also collaborate with the cross functional teams, including sales, marketing, and operations. And you should maintain the documentation of cleansing processes and data handling protocols. Basically, you will be looking after all the data that is in the CRM. You will be helping them in cleansing and clearing the duplicate data, finding the values for the missing data, and you will be doing all these things and helping in completing all the data. So the requirement here is you should have a bachelor's degree or you should be pursuing your final year in business administration, marketing, information technology, computer science or a related field. Then you should have strong analytical skills and attention to detail and a good written and verbal communication skill and basic understanding of CRM systems, for example, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, and this will be a big plus. Then you should have the ability to work independently as a part of the team. Then you should be proficient in using the MS Excel, Google Sheets, and other data tools. You should be familiar with data enrichment platforms such as ZoomInfo, Lusha, Clearbit, and it is a bonus for you. You should be a quick learner and you should have a proactive attitude. So basically, the requirement is you should have some analytical skill, attention to detail skill. Then you should have basic understanding of CRM systems. Even if you don't have the idea of it, just check for YouTube videos for Salesforce, HubSpot or Zoho. It is very simple. You can know the basics in just 1 hour. You can learn it and add it in your resume and apply for this role. So then here is a preferred skill. So it is optional, but it is nice to have. So you should have knowledge in data quality principles and CRM data standards, then experience working with large data sets, exposures to data cleaning tools, data validation or data management softwares too. So you can just click on apply for this role here. You can just upload your resume, name, last name, email, mobile number. Then you can fill in the additional questions like are you currently pursuing or completed your bachelor's degree. Then if you have any prior experience working with CRM tools, if you're having the experience in CRM tools, you'll have a advantage of getting selected for this role. So please spend like 1 hour, study it, add it in your resume and apply for this role. So then they are asking about have you ever worked on cleaning or validating data in Excel or Google Sheets. If you have any experience, click on yes. Then they are asking if you know about the functions like sorting, filtering, VLOOKUP or removing the duplicates. If you know those things, you can fill in beginner, intermediate and advanced. Then they are asking if you know about the data enrichment tools such as ZoomInfo, Lusha or Clearbit, and also if you are able to work in full time in office or remote if applicable for this duration of the internship. They might give you a remote opportunity, might also be a full-time opportunity in office. And, why are you interested in this internship role? And describe a situation where you identify and fix errors in data. So all these things should be filled manually by you. I will advise you don't use ChatGPT here. They will easily identify that. So you just need to apply as soon as possible. Also, if someone is looking for a paid internship, you can just share them this link and let them know to apply for this role. And if you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. We will try to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.